In this video, I'm going to show you how to add shoes on Strava. So find the activity you'd like to add your shoes on, and in the top right, press the three dots, and then come down and tap on Edit Activity. You want to scroll down to the activity details, and you'll see there's an Add New Gear menu. So tap that, and here it lets you add new shoes. So there's the shoes, and then you can choose the sport. So if it was a run, hike, we'll select run, and then it lets you select the brand of shoes. So we'll choose Asics, and then you can type in the model. It also has a notify feature. So if you enable this, Strava will notify you when you've ran a certain amount of miles in the shoe, so you know when to change them. So if Strava tracks that we have reached 350 miles in this shoe, then it will notify you. So you simply hit save in the top right once you've filled all that in, and save again. And that's how to add shoes on Strava. Thank you for watching.